In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create passport photos in Canva. If you need a passport photo for a government application, a visa renewal, or another travel document, getting the size and layout right can feel more complicated than it should. A lot of people end up paying for a photo service, only to realize later that they could have done it themselves much more easily. The good news is that Canva gives you the tools to create a clean, properly formatted passport photo without needing advanced editing software. To begin, open Canva from the homepage and go to the top right corner where you'll click Create a Design. From the menu that appears, choose Custom Size. This part is very important because instead of working in pixels, you want to switch the unit to inches so your design matches real-world print dimensions. Enter the width and height required for your passport photo. For example, a common size is 2 by 2 inches. Then click Create New Design to open your blank canvas. Once your canvas is open, the next thing you'll want to do is turn on rulers and guides. This helps you position your face correctly and makes the layout much easier to control. Go to the File menu at the top, move into View Settings, and select Show Rulers and Guides. You'll now see measurement lines around your canvas, and you can drag guides into place to create visual boundaries for centering your face and checking head placement. Now it's time to add your portrait photo. On the left-hand side, click Uploads, then choose Upload Files and select your image from your computer. After it uploads, drag it onto the canvas and place it roughly in the middle. If your photo has a distracting or non-compliant background, click the image, choose Edit Photo, and then use BG Remover to remove the background. This can help give your photo the clean white background that passport images usually require. After that, adjust the size and position of the image carefully. Click on the photo and use the corner handles to scale it. As you do this, make sure your eyes appear level, your shoulders face forward, and your head sits centered within the frame. Ideally, your head should take up around 50 to 70% of the square, with enough white space around it to keep the image looking balanced and compliant. Before exporting, review everything one last time. Check that the lighting looks even, your face is clearly visible, and there are no strong shadows. When you're ready, click Share in the top right corner, then choose Download. Select PNG if you want a clear digital file, or choose PDF Print if you plan to print it. Then click Download to save your finished passport photo. That's it. Thanks for watching.